It's July the 4th, 2019. Happy 4th of July, guys. It is 12 midnight. This will be your evening report, your midnight report, I should say. These are from earthquakes that happened earlier, all the way up to the most recent, okay? There was a 3.9 south of Bali, Indonesia. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Kenai Peninsula, Alaska, 4 miles south-southeast of Coho. That came in at 37 miles in depth. A 4.2 Nicaragua at 129.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Chile at 60.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Kenai Peninsula. That came in 4 miles south of Coho, and that one came in at 34 miles in depth. Now we have two of them, but I'm going to give them to you in order here as they came. There was a 3.7 off the coast of Oregon. They have that at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 south of Fiji Islands. That came in at 354 miles in depth. A 4.1 Papua, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 south of Timor Island at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 central Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 central Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the coast of Oregon at 6 miles in depth. 3.9 upgraded to a 4.4 San Juan, Argentina. They have that at 73.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 upgraded to a 4.3 at Chile at 64.6 miles in depth. A 3.6 Nicaragua at 110.6 miles in depth. A 3.4 Dominican Republic, 66 miles, 66.4 miles in depth. Sorry. A 3.6 the Gulf of Alaska. That came in 157 miles south of Kodiak at 13 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 the Gulf of Alaska, 160 miles southeast of Kodiak, and this one came in at 0 miles in depth. A 3.2 Dominican Republic at 16.1 miles in depth. A 2.2 the Gulf of Santa Catalina, California, 2 miles southwest of Salina Beach at 6.8 miles in depth. That's your midnight report, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally, totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Happy Independence Day. If you're going out to see the fireworks tomorrow, please be careful. Be safe. You guys have a great evening. Sweet dreams. God bless each and every one of you. Dream softly. I'll be back in the morning for the morning report.